our last morning camping. Anyway, this was our last morning at the campsite. And just like every morning, we started our day with the most important thing, coffee. My husband made coffee while I prepared breakfast. Nothing fancy, just good food, fresh air, nature, and family time. And of course, our little Nat Nat was right there enjoying every moment. Seeing him happy made this camping trip even more special. After breakfast, it was time for the part nobody looks forward to, packing. If you've been camping before, you know the drill. Setting everything up is exciting, but packing everything back up, whew, that's the hard part. And somehow, we always bring way more stuff than we need. So I started clearing out the tent while my husband took it down. We gathered all our camping stuff outside and piled everything onto the big table before loading it all into the truck. Camping comes with a lot of stuff. And of course, we made sure to pick up all our trash and leave the campsite clean. Because if we enjoy the beautiful place, we should leave it beautiful for the next campers too, right? And of course, our little super nut nut is always wanted to help. Once everything was packed, we were finally ready to go. We made one quick stop to throw away our garbage and then it was time to say goodbye to our campsite. We had such a fun weekend, so it was a little sad to leave. But our adventure wasn't over yet because we were not going straight home. Our first stop was shower time. Yes, after camping, we definitely needed one. The shower area was about 18 minutes away and it was only $4 each. And let me tell you, that shower felt like a five-star hotel. Joe, after sleeping in a tent, being outside all day, and camping for a couple of nights, a hot shower hits different, really. Sometimes you really appreciate the little things in life, like a clean body, right? After getting cleaned up, we stopped by the lake again. There were boats you could rent, a little store where you could buy food and other things, and the view was really nice. It was the perfect little stop before heading home. And of course, by the time we were hungry again, because apparently camping makes us hungry every 5 minutes, so we stopped for lunch before starting our drive home. And then finally, it was time for our 3 hours drive home. It was time for our 3 hours drive back home. 3 hours sounds long, but after such a fun weekend, we didn't really mind. We were tired and a little dirty and probably still smelling like a camping, but happy. And honestly, that's what made this trip so special. We didn't stay at a fancy hotel or go on expensive vacation. We simply spent time together, enjoyed nature, cooked our own food, laughed, explored, and watched our little boy have fun. Those simple moments are the memories I know we'll remember. Sometimes you don't need an expensive vacation to make beautiful memories. A simple camping trip with the people you love can be more than enough. For us, it was about slowing down, getting away from our normal routine, and enjoying time together as a family. We laughed, we ate, we explored, we relaxed, and of course, we ate again. So after 3 hours of travel, we will be finally home. Tired, little messy, and definitely ready for another shower and some sleep. But very happy and grateful for such a beautiful weekend together. I'm really glad we decided to go camping. It gave us a chance to unplug, enjoy the outdoors, and make beautiful memories as a family. Anyway, thank you so much for coming along with us on our little family adventure. And thank you for listening to me practice my English. I'm still learning, so please be kind. Maybe someday I'll watch this video again and say, oh my gosh, what was my pronunciation? But for now, I'm just happy that I'm trying because we all have to start somewhere, right? So that's it for our camping trip. Until our next family adventure. Bye, everyone.